earlier. I'll show you. Oh, maybe it is working to that one. I'm thinking it just does like that. It looks cool. It's funny how pen will just spin there around. Medium speed. It's really cool. Alright. Alright, it's kind of like cool. It's earlier. That's when I recorded the Hunter version. I'm gonna turn it off. There we go.